harsh words move in the air, actions born from old confusion. Voices rise like waves in a small room, someone drowning in their own pain. This is nature moving. Conditions produce conditions, not my storm, not my karma, not my burden. Let it go back to nature. Set down the waves that never belonged here. Freedom is one release away. Unkindness born from old wounds, a tree twisted by many storms, roots searching for ground but shaking, a mind lost in its habits, compassion without involvement.